Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. As I promised you in my previous video, today we are going to unbox the second kit that I purchased from Beaded, Russian company, on Facebook. That is how the kit was packaged inside the bag. It comes with a pattern in this beautiful pink envelope and the canvas. There are the beads and the needles in this beautiful yellow organizer container. And I guess as a gift, the company also gave me this very organizer for the beads to put beads in here and pick it up while bead stitching. Really very convenient. Thank you very much. And the kit also comes with this very thread. So everything you need for the beaded cross-stitch kit comes in the kit. Now, let's start with the canvas. If you didn't watch my previous video, I would really encourage you to do so. I was elaborating there more detailed on the kit that I purchased, the company, and where you can find them, etc. So my second kit is called Chocolate Night, 70 by 50 centimeters, 59 colors. I really love this design. It reminds me of my childhood. When I was a little girl, I used to go to my grandmother to the village, and this is 100% Russian or Ukrainian village. My grandmother's house looked absolutely the same, especially in winter, very cozy. It's so warm. I loved it. So the landscape is magnificent, the scenery is beautiful, something from my childhood. So in any case, the kit comes with the design image, Chocolate Night, with the stickers that you can cut and glue on the Ziploc bags. But the other kit, the previous kit, already came with the stickers on the Ziploc bags. Maybe I can also cut them and glue them, those stickers, to this very organizer, from which I can take the beads out. Really nice. Thank you so much, guys, for giving it to me. It was not listed as part of the kit, so I guess it was given to me as a gift, and it's really very nice and thoughtful of you. Thank you. So I can glue these ones to the organizer. Now there is also the inventory sheet. So this one has 59 colors, 59 colors of beads. Here they are, all colored. Great. Funny, but the beaded cross-stitch kit I'm working on right now from Golden Hands is smaller than the one I'm showing it to you right now. This one is 40 by 50 centimeters, something like this. But this one has way many colors. Well, actually, my bad, it has 55. I thought it had 70 colors. I think my cherry that was 70 by 40 centimeters had 70 colors. This is the kit that I'm talking about. This one has 70 colors, and this one is 42 by 43 centimeters, something like this. Smaller than the one I'm planning to work on. Smaller than Chocolate Night, which is 70 by 50 centimeters. Now, this is a pattern. It is a black and white pattern. Before the company assembles the order for you, they do everything manually. They manually select the colors for each kit. They ask you if you want black and white or colored pattern. I personally prefer black and white. And do you see those blue elements on the canvas? So these are rhinestones. Beautiful. This kit, if with the previous kit, it was a pleasant surprise for me that it came with the rhinestones. I knew that this one does come with those. And there are 45 pages of black and white pattern. Here it is. Guys, I'm sorry if you hear some cracking sound. My floor is making it. It's too cold outside and very dry and hot inside. Now this is the canvas. As I mentioned in the previous video, this one is softer than in Golden Hands. So that's how the pattern and the canvas look. Now let's go back to the beads. Again, the kit comes with a thread, this big one. Plus there are more rolls of thread inside this container. And as you can see right away, there are the beads. There are the rhinestones. These are gonna be stars. I hope you wouldn't get offended if I do not take out all the beads. They are packaged so neatly. Let me turn on the flash. They're packaged all so neatly, so I wouldn't want to mess it up. Besides, there are 55 colors. Can you imagine me putting it all over the bed table? In any case, the kit also comes with 2 needles, or even 3 needles, and the colors. The same as in the previous kit. Transparent, matte, sparkly, pearl, iridescent. Amazing. Look at those. They look way better and they sparkle more in real life of the camera. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful beads. The beads are Czech, from Czech Republic. They are considered to be the best ones. Japanese and Czech beads, Preciosa brand, they are the best. White ones, yellow, a lot of brown color. As much as I do not like brown color, I love this one. I love the brown shades here in this kit. And let's look at the, oh my god, the rhinestones. Beautiful, beautiful, amazing. So I will not start this kit for some time because this is my main primary kit at this moment. I will not start a big kit until I finish this one. And I will also work on this beaded cross stitch kit as well before starting Chocolate Night. And just a very quick update on my diamond painting. As soon as I complete it, I guess I will postpone diamond painting for some time. I want to focus more on the beaded cross stitch kit. So I diamond painted a little bit, still looks pixelated to me. I bead stitched this part and I still can't figure out what it is. And I replaced resin drills with opal and AB diamonds. So at least Christmas tree sparkles. So, but I will resume diamond painting it maybe tomorrow. Today is too late and I'm way too excited with beaded cross stitch kits that I purchased. So once I'm done with this one, hopefully in a few weeks, I will definitely concentrate my attention on beaded cross stitch kits. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.